Hey there, I'm Patty Click with Prime Lending, and I want to talk to you today about Maryland Mortgage Program's Smart Buy 2.0. If you found this video, you might already know a little bit about the program, in that it is a program through Maryland Mortgage Program that will help you both buy a home and pay off your student loans. It's amazing to see when it works, and I have successfully helped many people through the program and just want to share some tidbits with you today about it. So, number one, it will pay off up to a maximum of $30,000 of your student loans, and it must pay off your student loans in full. So, if you have like $100,000 or more, or even $50,000 in student loans, this might not be the right program for you. There's still a lot of amazing home buying incentives out there, though, so happy to discuss those with you. Smart Buy, though, it pays up to 15% of your sales price, or $30,000, towards your student loans at closing. And then it does that, so on the day of closing, your student loans get paid off, and then you don't have a student loan payment anymore. It creates actually a second mortgage for the amount of your student loans, and that amount is forgiven after 5 years. So as long as you own and live in the house for 5 years, then you won't owe anything more on your student loans. So remember, the savings isn't just the fact that it's paying off the principal of your student loans, but you will, if you're making regular monthly payments or even a reduced payment where extra interest is accruing, you're saving can be a substantial amount of interest on those student loans as well. So it will pay off 15% of the sales price. That's $200,000 to get the full $30,000 amount. So what if your student loans are $33,000 and not $30,000? You still can possibly use the program. It's just that at closing, it needs to be at a zero balance. So if you have some other way to pay those student loans off, the remainder that would be above what the program would pay, it still could work for you in that way. The other big things with that program, it does offer some down payment assistance. It is one of the only programs that you really can't combine with a lot of other types of programs. In Baltimore City, you can combine it with Live Near Your Work, because that is not a lien, but basically any other program you can't combine it with. Maryland Mortgage will give you, though, besides paying off your student loans, $5,000 as a 0% interest, zero payment loan towards down payment or closing costs. You do need at least 5% down, and it is a conventional program. So there are some other guidelines that you need to discuss with your lender. And I highly recommend talking to somebody that is familiar with the program, because you don't want to go under contract on a house thinking that like this is how you're buying the house and then have it not work out. I am happy to answer any questions you might have about it. And the last point I want to mention before I say bye on this video is the houses. So another misconception of the Smart Buy program is that you have to buy a very specific house. You can actually buy any house in the state of Maryland, and that's eligible for a Maryland mortgage otherwise, and use the Smart Buy program. There was the first version of Smart Buy where it was a specific list of houses, but Smart Buy 2.0 is every house. So there isn't that limitation anymore, as long as it's eligible, which most single unit, so one unit, single family homes, townhomes, condos are usually eligible. It does, though, depend on the exact house, and I can go over that with you, or your lender can go over that with you as well. So hope you found that information helpful. You can always reach out to me on my cell phone, 443-802-6864, or loansthatclick.com is my website. And hope you found this information useful, and good luck on your home buying journey. Bye.